The microSD card slot might actually be on its way back, and honestly, it's about time. For years, smartphone users have watched flagship after flagship drop this simple, but incredibly useful feature. And now, with new technology and changing trends, Samsung has a real chance to bring it back with the Galaxy S26. Let's talk about why that matters and why the timing couldn't be better. First, a quick reminder of how we got here. Samsung removed the microSD card slot starting with the Galaxy S21. That means it's been almost 5 years since the company decided that its top-tier phones wouldn't support expandable storage anymore. Other brands followed, and suddenly the microSD slot became a rare feature you'd only find on phones like Sony's Xperia line. Meanwhile, millions of smartphone users who relied on expandable storage were forced to upgrade their phones or rely more on cloud storage. When Samsung removed the slot, the company gave a few reasons. They said it created a more modern and seamless design, freed up space inside the phone, and avoided the slower speeds of microSD cards compared to internal storage. They also mentioned concerns about waterproofing. At the same time, critics argued that removing the slot pushed people to buy more expensive storage options on higher-end phone models. But here's where things get interesting. Samsung's own Galaxy A series still includes microSD card slots. For example, the Galaxy A55 looks just as modern as Galaxy S models, has an IP rating, and even has a bigger battery than some flagship phones. So the argument that the slot ruins durability or takes up too much space doesn't hold up very well. If Samsung can put a microSD slot in a mid-range phone, it's hard to argue that they can't put one in a premium phone. And the performance argument, that one is basically collapsing thanks to new technology. The microSD Express standard has changed everything. Even though it was announced in 2023, it didn't get much attention at first. But now it's gaining ground, and fast. The performance of these new cards is so impressive that they are finally able to compete with internal storage speeds. Samsung even launched its own P9 Micro S Express card built for the Nintendo Switch 2. This card reaches sequential read speeds up to 800 MB keys, which is around 4 times faster than regular UHS-1 microSD cards, and that's only using PCI 3.0. Theoretically, PCI 4.0 versions of these cards could reach speeds up to 2000 MB. That's still slower than Samsung's UFS 4.0 internal storage, but the gap is shrinking quickly. With speeds increasing this much, the old argument that microSD cards are too slow is losing power. Soon, expandable storage could be fast enough for everything from games to high-resolution video recording, and the new microSD Express format is backward compatible, meaning older cards will still work in the same slot. Now here's why Samsung is the perfect company to bring the microSD slot back. They aren't just a phone manufacturer. They're one of the biggest memory chip producers on the planet. They already make microSD cards, including the new high-speed Express versions. They also still build phones with microSD slots, like the Galaxy A16. They have the hardware, the experience, and the supply chain to bring this feature back smoothly. But there's one big catch: pricing. Samsung's 256GB P9 Express card costs around $54. The 512GB version costs about. That means buying a cheaper Galaxy S26 with 256GB of storage and adding a fast microSD Express card could save customers a lot of money, and that could cut into Samsung's profits from selling higher storage models. Still, with all the improvements in microSD technology and the growing demand for more local storage, this might be the perfect time for Samsung to rethink expandable storage on flagship phones. People want options. They want flexibility, and many would be thrilled to see the microSD slot return. So the question is simple: should Samsung bring the microSD card slot back for the Galaxy S26? With new standards, faster cards, and so many practical benefits, the answer feels clearer than ever.